In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Do Not Disturb or a Focus schedule on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select where it says Focus. And you want to delete the schedule by selecting it from the list here, whatever that schedule may be. So let's just scroll down and select where it says Delete Focus at the bottom. Select Delete Focus, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.